Hey guys, Rigo here with Email Processing Systems. So what I wanted to go over in this video, and this is going to be a quick video, is who is your sponsor? What does that mean? What does that term mean when it comes to online marketing? So sponsor, basically, it's really simple. Sponsor, your sponsor is whoever brings you into a business opportunity. You know, there's tons of business opportunities out there, but so whoever brings you into a business opportunity, that is your sponsor. Now, there are good sponsors and bad sponsors, of course, you know. Ideally, you will get a good sponsor. Now, what's the difference between a good sponsor and a bad sponsor? Well, a bad sponsor kind of is just trying to make a commission off you and isn't really planning to help you or to be there for you, to make themselves available to you. You know, they might just and I always use this example because there's many people out there who they make YouTube videos and they send, you know, they get a lot of traffic to their videos, but there's no way of communicating with the person. So when you need help, they're not really going to be around. They're presenting a business opportunity. They want to make a commission from you, but they're not gonna help you be successful. The only thing that you'll find in the YouTube video description is a link so they can make a sale, but they don't really care whether you're successful or not. You know, they just want to make the commission off of you. And you see this a lot with these Ponzi scheme programs that are just bound to scam you one day. You know, they're just around for a few months and then they disappear with everyone's money. And only the top leaders, you know, the people who keep promoting a Ponzi scam after Ponzi scam, they're the ones who make the real money and everyone else loses, you know. So that's what a bad sponsor is. You know, they don't really care about the people they're bringing into a program. They just want to make a commission. Now, a good sponsor will bring you into a program and want to see you reach success, you know, want to help you, will make themselves available to you, you know, like what I do. So, you know, people, you know, that are watching my videos know that I'll be there for them, is that I give them my email address, I give them my Facebook account. So those are two ways that you can reach me. You know, they can just leave comments in my videos and I'll respond. You know, so I mean, it's not a hard concept to understand. That's a good sponsor. A good sponsor is going to help you. A bad sponsor isn't. So just kind of wanted to make this quick video to just explain to you what a sponsor is, what that term even means, and that there's people out there who want to help you, and there's also people out there who are not going to help you, who don't care about helping you, don't care about what your well-being is. They just want to make a commission off you. So you kind of have to learn how to differentiate between someone who's going to help you out and who's going to be there for you, and between someone who isn't. Because there are a lot of people out there who keep bringing in people into programs that are going to fail, that are not going to be around in 2 or 3 months, you know. So you got to watch out for that. I'm actually a part of Email Processing System, which has been around since 2010, so now it's 8 years. It's been around 8 years. So I just kind of want to use that example because this program has been around 8 years. Other programs out there aren't going to be around for even 3 months. So that's the thing. You gotta be on the lookout for what programs a sponsor is promoting, because you never know if they're going to be, if they are looking to help their followers, or if they're just looking to make money from their followers. So that's a very important distinction you have to make. And you have to understand that there is one to be made. So you kind of have to do your research. You know, you have to do your research. Make sure this person is trustworthy. Make sure this person is going to help you out. Make sure this person is offering value to you. Because why would you join someone who isn't offering any value to you? You know, that doesn't make any sense. You should join someone. You should follow someone who is offering value, who you are learning from. So, you know, and I'm not saying you have to follow me. I'm just saying, you know, make sure when you look for someone that you know is going to be there for you and is offering value, because you know that those people are trying to help you and are trying to teach you, you know, and those are, you know, that's all a sponsor can do. They can try to help you, they can be there for you, they can teach you what they're doing, And that's all a sponsor can do, basically. You know, so a lot of people sometimes they say, oh, well, it's my sponsor's fault. Well, what does your sponsor, did he give you a training? Is he available to you? Is he really there trying to help you out? If he is, and you're not using the materials, you're not using the training, you're not using, you know, you're not taking action on what they're teaching you, the value that they're providing, then maybe you have to look inward. Maybe it's yourself, you know, maybe you're not putting in the work, because a lot of people like to blame other people, but they don't like to take responsibility. So, and I see that online a lot, you know, people that quit within like a week, people that don't even try, you know, and they just kind of join a program and think they're going to be successful right away. Well, no, it takes work. That's the thing. So your sponsor can be a great sponsor, can be the best sponsor, you know, he can be available to you, he can give you training, he can be there, you know, always asking how you're doing. But if you're not taking action on anything, then it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you're not taking action. Nothing is going to happen for you. So you gotta take action yourself as well. You gotta take massive action. So just an important tip I wanted to share with you guys, between, you know, good sponsors and bad sponsors. Like I mentioned, this was just a quick little video. If you guys are interested in the email processing system, which is a program that I'm a part of, we have a training. I actually will provide you 2 sets of trainings if you join at the highest level, which is $100. Just a one-time payment, easy, not complicated monthly payments. There's a $25 level, a $50 level, and a $100 level. Just one-time payments, and then you'll be set to make unlimited amounts of commissions. So you pay one time, and then you can make commissions on the product, which is a great product, a training product that shows you how to make money online, how to build a brand. It's awesome, it's great. But you'll be able to make unlimited amounts of commissions. So that's amazing, because if you only make a payment one time, then you're set to make as much money as you can, you know, however much work you put into it. So it's up to you, and you already have the kind of the tools and resources to make that happen. So like I mentioned, it's up to you. Yeah, so if you're interested on that, I'll leave a link below. I'll leave a link to my Facebook account as well, my email if you prefer that. And that's pretty much it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you can follow my journey. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I appreciate you watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.